Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to send money from the USA to Canada in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for goods, or handling international business, sending money across borders has never been easier with the latest tech advancements. By 2025, options are faster, cheaper, and more secure, thanks to digital innovations like AI-driven apps and blockchain. Let's break it down step by step so you can do this hassle-free. First, choose your method. Popular options include services like Wise, Revolut, or even traditional banks with upgraded digital interfaces. Wise is a favorite because it offers real-time exchange rates and low fees, perfect for 2025's economy. If you're tech-savvy, look into cryptocurrency transfers via apps like Coinbase, which could be even quicker by then. Step 1. Set up your account. Download the app or log into the website of your chosen service. You'll need to verify your identity. Think ID scans or biometric checks, which are standard by 2025 for security. Once verified, link your US bank account or debit card. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. Provide their Canadian bank information, like account number and routing code, or use email for app-based transfers. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Step 3. Review and confirm. You'll see the exchange rate. Remember, in 2025, rates might fluctuate with global events, so use tools to lock in the best deal. Enter the amount, check for any fees, aim for under 1% with top services, and hit send. Transfers can take minutes to a day, depending on the method. Don't forget key tips. Always compare fees and rates using comparison sites, ensure the recipient's bank is compatible, and use two-factor authentication for safety. If you're sending large amounts, consider tax implications or limits set by services. There you have it. Sending money from the USA to Canada in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.